I go live. No, man. What's that? Paradise Hill.
Sweet.
All food try better. Them I say this a sour sap.
Really, so what's up?
Oh, that Paradise Hill favorite couple. Bumbo Clock, Royalty, Dewey, Emma Queen. Yeah. Bumbo Clock. When you look at my Paradise Hill thing, love.
That tour Jamaica.
All that. Sauce up, bum.
Busha, I reckon
that
so this
Paradise Hill
growing up.
favorite couple.
Busha Mark, turn on
Bumbo
that.
Clock, Royalty, Dewey.
Say hi to the line. Say hi to the Americans.
Good morning.
Me have to come live, I couldn't taste this.
Rich people something, man.
Rich people do it, man, you know. This is part of the rich structure. You understand? Yes.
I can't believe I saw sap this sweet sap.
Sweet like sugar.
No, sweet sap.
Not even cane juice can do this.
Sorry. Nice. I couldn't even wait for juice this.
Right now it's a juice in my mouth.
I can't believe it's so sweet. Sweet Jamaican, nah, left here.
This coming like if it is sweet.
It's like your jar these.
You don't need no sugar, no milk. I tell you.
When the juice I'm natural, I'm going.
I can't believe it's so flourishing and nice.
Tell us how you want to put it down for me. The car, I say, you know, so sauce up for the queen.
No, but Sam. All fruit right, the mango down here sweet, the June plum. It's a little June plum them down there, sir?
Yeah.
Last time I come here, a little coffee.
Nice, yeah.
You fuck.
There things we plant, you know.
Rich people, something.
Hundreds of, you know.
Them I say he coming like a sour sap. Watch out. Look like sperms done.
Blood clot, natural.
What?
Guys, you have to say something, man. You couldn't never say no. Let's say nothing. Yeah,
My mama have sour sap and I'm saying, you know.
yeah. Great sauce up. Only say grow, man. Nature.
Natural nature that.
Right now, this make me a lot taste of my bleaching cream, you know.
They go for
Oh,
course.
it's sweet. How? Bushama, plant 10 more than 3 days.
I say them me plant up, man. No tree me plant some of them.
When me the name of this sour sap, I make my pussy jump like chipman, chip.
Gang some of us say me have a guest say man.
Dewey, shut up. Shut up, Dewey. Me that big man.
Yeah, man. Tell you Paradise here. So we get for dinner last night.
Jesus Christ, Busha, you couldn't remind me.
We get for dinner.
Right, crazy. Get what we get for dinner last night. Lobster, curry chicken, and pork. 3, I'm a lucky number. Birthday / wedding, anniversary, honeymoon, everything Busha
What
cook.
kind of peas?
Well, look at peas I'm name. Some nice, sexy peas like
Christmas peas, man.
A Christmas peas I'm name. Me say the rice and peas. Me call Busha and say Busha may I come.
No, you tell
And
me
me
straight
say,
forward.
the man put on, the man say when you come to them, me say yes. Me say the man put on 3 different meat. Paradise.
Rich people, so. German peas, you know.
Me eat the pork, the curry chicken, and the lobster. The 3 of them, my grabs it off. Rascal, right crazy. Pop tour going on now. So I know so last time with that what's the what do you mean by me chat too much?
Chat too much. Shut up.
You shut.
Shut up.
The husband has spoken. Bliss. Shut up, Dewey. Yeah. Yeah, you make my phone last. So I don't know, sir. You have no plastic bag?
Yeah.
I'm going to put this in it.
Yeah,
Because I don't want them for them to come for my mouth. So,
sauce.
I don't want you to see any discharge on my mouth. Because you are very discriminated in it. So, because I don't want you to discriminate me, the soursop is so nice. Do you know what I'm telling you? Yeah. So we go up some hills and valley now. I go one party, you know. Stone, rocky stone. But rain a fall. So I'm dashing on one corner now, I want dead end now. Around 6 car, I have to turn back in a dead end and I wear last car, you know. So I'm sorry, then piss time. Because you know me love piss a bush, fuck that. When I make a piss, give me urine infection. Slide out of car, see. And do a little crack up in and 10 quick and fast. Peace. Thank you. That time butcher there wait probably with the lobster.
Drop asleep, no coach.
Drop asleep. And we got a party, you know. On the road. Because that never in a bag enough. It's only too enough, that's what happened anyway. So we reach us now. And take the thing that I can't mess with do on my phone there. Can't find the phone. Thank God for technology. When you find me iPhone, I say, I love my pity that I say, I never put that on it. I never have my phone, you know. I say, Ryan, crazy, blood clot, them a big butcher mark.
Yeah.
We are drive, I was searching for 2 hours, we searching at the bush, the hills, the valley, in the night there. We have on touch, we light back a tour. If me see your phone, no. I have my phone.
iPhone.
Search the phone last night. I said, I couldn't find the phone after 4 hours. I classed the phone. I said, the phone done out and fuck out. I'm glad it lasts. Why, my love Queenie. One at a time, hear me than any fresher dead. The people that might be girl busher.
Big up on yourself, rich people something. Right?
Yeah, right up here, so paradise.
Everybody for rich, you know, everybody make it this year.
Comfortable when you wake with a nice atmosphere. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, good food.
The sea view way over the shore. You can see the ocean view and the nice hills and valley. Anyway, the whole of the community I walk and search for the phone in the bush. What I tell now? Me in the bush. So, what we do, I run and skip up the hill with the torch because him have the next phone. I said, find my iPhone. And I said, I have the next phone and I try to find the phone. And I said, do we run down up the hill? I said, right, crazy. I stand up in the bush and I look, it's not dope in my ear cricket. I think it's a monster. I laugh. I'm afraid of the bullfrog. Them. Why? I love Queenie. Say morning to me, right, crazy.
Bumbleclot, Irie man. Irie morning, you know, man? That is it. How are you? How was you? Bumble pussy rascal. Me say, how you been? Bumble. Hey, you may say no man, Irie man. Queen wave. What go on now? You know we outside. I will clean.
Every day we wake up.
West, paradise.
Clean and dirt can be with friend, you know? Connect, man. Done it! Cheapest! You can't suck me through your teeth, so no matter when how you kiss it or how you want to kiss it. Come suck this.
Paradise, Westmoreland. But don't leave me and my husband alone, yeah. So, what I do is keep going up the hill now and I say, Bumbleclot. Me and I run up them the hill there. I go to me about my clock. What's in there? Clocks? Clogs? Whatever them want to harass me. Crocs. The Crocs. Oh, poor Queenie. So, we had another man right crazy. I have to share this with you. So, remember, I don't know where the fucking phone there. This at around 3 hours and I'm searching for the phone now, you know. So, Busha, it's ever reach half of the hill and I see Dewey and the light. And the way Dewey I go run, cause I can't remember Dewey with frisky and say I'm quick enough. I say, me now go up there and make him on the phone and French and whoever else go, I go, look. So we stop in the dark now. Me and God alone, you know. Me hear the bullfrog them. Me see the frog. Me can't find the phone. The cricket them I make nice. Me I look for Peanut Wally. Then me start remember the movie with some girl. We're going to the forest. Me say, push her back. Around 20 minutes, because I think, Dewey, I go find the phone and come back. You know, somebody I say, me not go up that the fucking hill, you know, me I wait your son. See the time me I wait. I sad. I run in on my head and then show me see the bullfrog them are jumping on the road when we are drive. So this is me now. Me now move off of the store because the bull. Maybe I not see the bullfrog, you know, but I see them earlier on.
So yes, I wear them.
Yes, so I wear the bullfrog. So see me around 20 minutes stand up. I can't see Dewey on the phone like me. I said, then that's so long them take to find the phone. It's when we come to my senses here, you know. Me not stay there with all of them creatures. I said, Busha Mark.
Take what you said.
I love Queenie. The same stone I ill, I'm afraid of. My hop got that blood clot, man. I'm go up there, I see them, I come down around here to them. I said, blood clot. Then if it's a whole army and them not find it, what me for do? Me not go back up like the hill there. I go in there, I carry some my friend, she sit down and build 2 split for the next 2 hours. Them still can't find the phone. So them come on the night done, and we can't find the phone. I say, class the blood, class phone. I say, don't fuck out phone, I'm glad it last. All the storage full and the phone too fat. But on the blood clot phone last night. Uncle Queenie. I was doing weird this morning. God bless my husband. Supposed to do like it's a big operation in Japan. Like it's a cartel move. I say, yeah, man.
The people I'm paying on TV.
That's nice, see?
I 2 times last one and then give me back, man.
And when we wait this morning now, do we go back and find my iPhone and say, see that show say the 13 minutes hour with a different location. So that means somebody have it to travel with. Dude, so I drive him nearly drive over it.
True, man.
And them come out and take it up. You see that? Some people would give back, man. Me say the sweetest part of last time, when me see the light and the way I run up the hill so fast, me I say, I always say, it's when me little bit I used to watch movie. Hello, crazies. Listen to Butcher. I like me see them all a war and 6 man dead and 2 left. Hear me with the hide, you know. Me would have got like a bust of blood clot shot with a hide. Well, I that me the last night. When me see the hill for go up, I remember rain did not fall and I say, no, wetty.
Royal crazy, so you know, say next time something like that happen. Me just sit back, me even recline my seat, me just carry it up and just put on my seat belt and then drive down and say, Tata, bye-bye, hope you find it.
Me never go like that.
I'm going to get the back still, you know? People are not thief. Them clear.
Yeah, me like that.
Yeah,
some people that hold on pan it, you could have...
Driver!
I know we're good energy because when we wait this morning and do it say the phone location change, you know. I say what you want him say come I could go up there now, we just left out. The one location where him stop. I talk to him uncle. By him I talk to him uncle, I say why you'd come and say to do it. Say what you do, where you look for and do it so I iPhone. Him say I find it last night. I say what?
Clean, sir.
Oh you mean Westmoreland. I love that. Me now like I stand up in the bush by the Rocky store. There's a big white store, you know. You hear the whole heap of something, a little creeping there, I say, me now go up that the hill, you know. When me look, me see the light just a move, so I say, so fast do I move for that. That was the sweetest spot. I remember when I joke in the dark. Then remember I moving with some girl. When some boy come kidnap them.
Nah, like Westmoreland full of bullfrog.
Whole heap of bullfrog.
Actually, rain just start falling. And then I get wet in the
I know, say Rockstone, me see bullfrog come out last night, brother. You say pussy clot, a joke this.
Me say, then me I tell you something, I stand up on the bar, ooh, I'm afraid, me nah go up there, so. I'm afraid of the store, I'm afraid of everything when I not see my doctor, blood clot, I did I imagine.
And tell us some Busha.
And
always the experience, yeah.
Truth.
Me I tell you.
Go, when youngsters see as an experience.
Oh.
Ah, yes.
Me always a come up. Me always there, so I never blood clot experience too much blood clot bullfrog. Yeah.
Enough bullfrog, you know.
I rain, man, when I say to you.
Me say
And
every
first time I
drive
come to Westmoreland, I see so much
every
bullfrog.
drive me drive,
A bullfrog
a bullfrog in our road.
Yeah.
Me kill about 50 of them last night.
Never wait for your car life to cross the road.
That me I tell you.
Me say, well, me remember the bullfrog there when I stand up on the store and this is me the, oh,
A
I'm
3F
afraid.
go on last night, man.
I mean, look, a 3F go on last side. The fag or the faggy. Oh, they come like the fag thick.
I reach a new market, man, you know.
The fag thick. Then beer frog. Me say bumper clot a 3F. The phone last, the fag and the frog them. I fussed me so much in blood clot bullfrog in my life. Enough bullfrog in the bush. Come like when they put more and see crab them a run cross.
Every time you come out of fog, man, you see a bullfrog.
Me say, right crazy, what you never did it with me. Me don't have no phone. And do me never know so up there so lead to up there so. And look how much time I come down here, right? We're doing concert up on the front, you know, where the phone last. I will stop. And him go up the hill and I say, I say, so
That's
far.
how I walk last night.
Yeah, me never know so that's a lead back to this, sir. Then I did some trap man, me stand up and say, me now I'm moving on, me unloaded that dark.
She down there, now. So when we reach up at the top, we say we crazy there. Yeah, I'm here. This bumbo clown, man, like she don't give a flying.
And I say, oh, you mean, them in a queen? When I go and set out the search, what the fuck?
The search party. Search and rescue.
Wish I didn't hear me tell you, so we reach quarter of the hill. I said, do we reach way up the top? And the light runs for me. Say, he thought that mean I go there, though. They have to search for that.
Bless you.
But nice to over 5 back. Who dance? I can't read dance door. So, though I'm not all that dance in it. Thank God for it,
Some people have to do that.
for technology.
Thanks to you, bright.
Yeah.
Make sure you share knowledge, yeah?
I'm glad so the phone did last. Says more even look on if I come live today. The way this night I come live for sure them so what's up. Sweet. No, I'm not lying before this morning. You ready?
Yeah.
I have a White House.
Yeah.
I'm forward up, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring some fish with my cook, man. Anything I want.
No fish and mash up. No breadfruit, not about.
No, breadfruit season.
And a breadfruit season.
Remember we are tourists.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah, you know what? Oh, you know I live a property.
No, me go buy it then, man.
Yeah. You know better?
Yeah, me go buy food, man. What you want for this?
I want fried fish.
Some of the vinegar soup.
I want
Some of the vinegar soup.
Yes. Hey, me not lie. The food that you give me last night, you cooked that with so much love. The rice and peas.
Different.
And then
I read coconut and
hey, I see through the phone go last.
Bumbo class, a piece of sweet, man.
Bumbo class, Rasta man. You see that? And that me love with Jamaica, you know. What is this?
Sweet, yeah. Me say the boil it, swell up in a pot and come like, till look. I got big with this, man.
Bumbo class, cock-a-doo-ga-doo.
You want fuck your money now, you know?
Sometimes.
You can just imagine when you like ask for.
Sometimes.
Here too, Papi Show. Here, bad man, Rolex, you need to go and get a vacation. Catch a flight and not any feelings.
I shot at that stone there. Rich people lifestyle, man.
Long time, I don't know, we're not changed.
Watch them.
And a poor
Watch
people
that
lifestyle.
chat where we just stay at have fun, so.
And a poor people lifestyle.
My husband have
most
beer fun,
popular
anniversary.
liquor we sell
Birthday.
every day. Believe that.
What's all every day?
White rum.
Oh.
Nothing. No other rum not sell like that.
National rum.
Right round the cut. Remember
We
me
never
tell
saw
you
if we give some money to Queenie, because you hear that big up with them get away.
Bumbo Clark, Rory! You need for that on the island, madam.
That good?
Bombo Clark, Rory.
Rory fresh, where you go? You know about this, you know, man. That is it. You know, we take a piece of time for you, man. You know it's that.
Yeah. Catch flight now. Stop being going to the money. Gamble out to the money and stop catch feelings over people's life. Because you can't change it. You understand?
You can't get to chase it anymore.
I don't know call my name out at airport. 1 million blood clot time for drugs.
Yeah.
When I shall see me on my island with my love, when I go, I'm going to forget cast me out of this blood clot. You hear that? When I go, when I the dirty blood clot government of England, my business, I don't know. Move on the dirty blood clot. I was born here. Jamaica land, me love. Any day, anytime, whether I have clothes, whether I look good, whether I have money, whether I have car, anytime I have one ticket money, right down here, so I come. Go!
Hold up, pause. Take a hold of up in. This is just a commercial break. You may say, man, cheers to all the rich people. You know, because you know when I deal with broke people. We've done it poor life a long time, you know.
Yeah.
And so me smile broad down on one place, on one party, deaf.
Still I celebrate your birthday.
You know it's style come down, man. I hear that 33. Double three. You know a thing come down. Never lie. Say, hey, we're going. Cheers to the rich life. Because you know we tell poor life bye-bye. Say, you know a thing go. You understand? Because we have life, you know. And for we have life, we all are rich. In spirit
And I hear that?
truth.
Yeah.
So cheers. You hear that?
I love that, my
33.
husband. If I'm gonna have life, we all are rich. Cheers.
You can't wake up and you can't be with this broke man today. You wake up a morning and be this million blood clot. Remember, we never body nothing, you know.
True.
Gradually by growth, you know.
True.
You understand?
You them about your junk. On a brighty.
Fool, man. Them fool and fuck them so I see me with that cup.
You just wake up fresh. Bad mind I kill them, but them still can't die.
If anybody in the world with a blood clot drunk or that my husband, as much as I not see him with a cup on I never see him drunk. So no shut the fuck up. I must see we drunk him. Do not drink, do just pose with a cup. Drinking is not our problem. But bring the high grade body to
Right now, this is junk. Drinking. A matter of fact, for you drink them till they say it's a drunkard. It's a, we call it a liquor. What call it? Alcoholic. You understand? And we say that is a bad name and a bad reputation for work with nowadays. So me not take up that trend there. You know? Yeah. Then me say I'm about weed and me this and me that and me. Don't give a fuck. Weed office smoke. Because I can't tell you something, my father. You see, if you don't sell weed, you don't know who smoke weed. You hear that? That me I tell you.
Doctors, lawyers, teachers,
Know that.
Starbucks workers.
Happy birthday to my husband. Happy 2 year wedding anniversary to me and my husband. Without you, there's what, do it?
No, us.
Okay, move on a dirty blood clot. Without you, there can't be us. You can't spell us, U-S. So without you, there's no us. That's our wedding vows. Is that my cousin? Hello, cuz. Bush, I'm at my side here. Rich people, something.
Right there, sir. Not
You have many stages of riches. You have rich who wake up and appreciate life.
Me rich from a wake.
Oh, you mean?
You hear that?
Rich!
I wash my face.
Yeah.
That me have to tell you.
We're rich because we're up on
I have
vacation.
money, my God. I'm rich.
Yeah.
Because me have life.
life is the greatest.
I want to see my father.
Nice, man.
The moment me not wake up in an hospital.
You know, it's nice you can take a little
Oh,
break
yeah,
and just
riches
ease
that-
out and just
millions
appreciate
that
life. You
already.
understand?
Yeah, anything else stuff like that a bonus. And me get 100 in my pocket a bonus.
What you migrate me for my marriage? Kuya, grateful. Kusuma, move on a dirty blood clot. Better sue mash up more than no mash up. That means you don't have no blood clot up. That's why you don't have nothing for mash up. You have to have something up for it to mash up.
You think a building block this? Go mash up. Eh? And you think a building block? I want to know. I don't poker game. Fam.
Skeleton
Them days they
skeleton
done
pan
fam.
bench.
Yeah man, backbench skeleton there.
Them all slug and wait.
I'm vexed.
Talk skeleton and wait for the mash up, alright?
You know.
Yeah, that them song wait man for truth.
Your skin are gonna rotten off on the skin. Know that.
Sit and wait, yeah, to get people out to fucking. You go sleep. Go suck your big pussy blood clot, mama. Any blood clot wanna come suck up me and do it after. Move on the dirty blood clot. Wanna smell like Anna Queenie steel front. Why?
Queenie, other guests there, you know.
Them not hear me, hush. Them like the bomber clot arms us and the no blood clot. Good, that's why I not itch up over dirty blood clot. Queenie like.
Calm down. Wanna get the lady cross for? I want to. Wanna clean like me? Wanna clean like me? I want to clean clothes. Me just. Shut up. Wanna leave the lady alone. I want to know like wanna love you the lady mouth. I want to know rich people something. I want to. Yeah, feel like birthday something.
Yeah.
Anniversary something.
Yeah.
I want to king and queen something. I wife something. I want to know stop get the buckler lady madman. I want to 31 you know. And don't feel like a joker. Everything stand up strong. You hear? I want to behave in yourself. I'm telling you already, you know, no comment them not too relevant to me, you know. So them comment, they coming like, they even know them coming like a clock, bomb clock.